Namaste and hello. You are watching Vibes of India and I am Sakshee Singh. We have always heard that one teacher can change the world. But have you ever imagined 1657 schools being run by only one teacher per school? I mean, despite spending huge amounts on school admission every year, the government has failed to recruit teachers on a large scale, leaving many schools to rely on just one teacher to educate students across different classes, different subjects, and different activities. Mostly in rural areas, shortage of teachers has resulted in a deterioration of the quality of education in government schools, which leads to many parents to opt for private schools instead. They might not be able to afford it even. So during the recent Gujarat Assembly session, it was revealed that 906 primary schools in the state had only one teacher on duty. While the government has defended the situation by citing reasons such as retirement and transfers. Now critics are arguing that the lack of timely recruitment has worsened the situation mainly. Now the government's expenditure on school admission festivals is on question. It's being called into question because with critics they are suggesting that these funds could be better spent on recruiting more teachers to improve the quality of education in government schools, which can also help the children with a bleak outlook for their future. Thank you.